Alright guys, check this out right here. I got a car right here. Customers state that here's some clicking noise when you're going down the road. So check it out. I was thinking it could be a CV axle. When you do a full turn on the left side, you can hear some clicking noise. And I thought it was CV axle, but I don't find any problem with the CV axle. Same thing here. So let's check it. Let's see if he's got play. Nope, there's no play at all. Suspension's tight, you know, and so the control arm bushing is good, lower ball joint, tie rod, suspension, the rest of the stuff is good. But this is what I found out, and also noticed the transmission is leaking right there. See that? And not just that, look at this. What do you think the problem there? A loud noise, man. Look. Could it be the problem, man? Very weird. See? Same thing here. Look. Sound like coming up from here. Sound like a do you think it could be the torque converter bolt is loose? Or the flywheel, the flex plate, or something's not right on inside the transmission. Could be somewhere around this area. Yeah, some type of transmission problem, man. Yeah, something's not right there. See? Oh, I think the problem is that, man. Yeah, also got massive oil leak. Yeah, it is. Yep. Also leaking there too. There's a lot of stuff going on here.